Hello, I'm going to show you in this video how to work your referral that's been approved. To go ahead and locate that status, you will click Patient Referrals, click All Referrals. You would want to type in manually approved in the status section, and here are your 4 approved referrals. You want to click ID and have the arrow pointing upwards. This means that the oldest one is the first option, and you should work obviously oldest to newest. So let's go ahead and click on this patient. Let's go ahead and read the annotations to make sure nothing else going on that's pending. For example, if patient is going to be redirected and so forth. So it looks like this was submitted to HealthNet Federal on 12/13 and the authorization was approved. You can tell because Valer will put in an automatic annotation for you when an authorization is attached. Auth approved, expires 12/25/2022, approved to CMH Radiology Department for MRI of the knee without contrast for possible meniscus tear. You can also see there's an authorization attached here and the order as well. Now you want to verify the authorization does match or include stuff requested, for example CPT codes, that's still valid, and that it's approved to the correct location. So you see right here it does say approved, perfect. The auth number, you can see it right here, and it will go under summary, under authorization number. Valid dates, this is still active, and the CPT code that we requested, you will find it under services on this drop down, 73721, 73721. That's perfect. Authorized provider, CMH Radiology Department, Community Memorial Hospital. That matches. I want to make sure that the phone number and fax number match. Also, there will be a diagnosis in here that you will want to match on the authorization as well. Sometimes the authorization will have diagnoses that are related. It's just depending on the insurance. Sometimes the insurance will approve other stuff as well. You can click out of that. Once you confirm the authorization has everything you need and that the order is attached, you want to make sure, depending on the specialty, that the notes and order and authorization is attached. In this case, this is radiology, so you only need the authorization and the order. And you want to make sure to always text the patient right after. So let's locate the patient in the Artera app. Here they are already. So you will use a quick response and just fill it in the blanks with the facility that we referred to. So you will want to pick this unlock button so that you can go ahead and send an unsecure message to the patient. If you do send a secure message to the patient, will prompt them to a link and they'll have to input health information, and sometimes it doesn't always work, so just create a barrier for the patient receiving the message. Let's go ahead and click quick response, and we're going to look for referral. Let's see, it would usually be approved non-CFH text, but we are working off of a referral for radiology, so we want to use that appropriate WellLab quick response. So let's see, referral imaging approved, patient to schedule. Let's click on that. Hi, this is blank your name from the CMHS referral department, your MRI of the left knee without contrast. Has been approved. Please call CMH Radiology at this phone number to schedule your appointment. You'll go ahead and send text and send it over to the patient. After you send the text, you want to copy that and send a broadcast. So you click the 3 dots to your left, send a broadcast, click call, paste it in here, and you want to delete the message that mentions to confirm via text, because we're not sending a message. This would be a voice automated call. You want to make sure you're sending this from the referral department. Click the patient to your left and send to one patient. You'll click back on their name, and you can see that their message went through and that the broadcast went through. So it'll give you the response right here. The call was answered, the call went to voicemail, and so forth. You don't have to look at that. Once this is switched over to pending appointment, which is a different status, they take care of confirming that patient received the information. Now let's go back to Valer. The next step is to go ahead and fax this out. Let's create a cover sheet on the second button right here. You want to click yes to a cover sheet, select CMH Radiology Department to where it's going. You can see this fax number is already automatically entered for you. You don't have to fill in none of this. Just make a note that's available for you in Confluence for those that are receiving the fax. Please contact patient to schedule. Thank you. Click OK. After clicking OK, that doesn't mean the fax goes through. It's just to create that cover sheet. In order to fax this after you confirmed everything's attached, you always want to make sure that notes, order, and authorization is attached. Depending on the specialty, like imaging and gastroenterology, you only need the order and the authorization. So this referral is good to go. So let's go ahead and click forward to fax, and you click confirm. After that's faxed, it'll stay in forwarded, and if it successfully goes through, go to pending appointment. You want to assign it to yourself, because if the fax fails, it'll come back assigned to you, and you'll take care of it, making sure it does eventually go through. You want to create your annotation, and there will be a shortcut for you available on Confluence. Let's go ahead and copy that, paste it in here, and you'll fill in the blanks from the message that you have in Artera to make it easier. So let's go back and copy CMH Radiology Department, paste it in there, phone number, paste it in here, and you can just copy the fax number from the cover sheet that's behind it. Auth fax to CMH Radiology Department, fax, phone number, referral information sent to patient via text and broadcast. Go ahead and annotate. After you've faxed the referral to the approved facility or physician, after you've annotated and after you texted the patient, there's referrals not complete. Now, say this comes back to you because the fax fails. All you have to do is to check these 3 times a day. You'll go to all referrals and just filter by forward, failed. And you'll see that anything in your name that has been filled will be under your initials down to here to the right, and then we'll also show on the dashboard that we send daily as a referral department email. Other than that, the referral would be complete.